I'm gonna buy some food, I'm gonna score some hash. But first I'll hae to fund some cash. The last I had it went on drink. I just sat down, I had to think. Well, I thought till dawn came peeping through, and still I didn't ken what to do. So I went to my bed when it got light. I slept and woke up at midnight. The panging in my plexus sustained a heaving flow, like the weeping of ages I was too young to know. I dully contracted the skin on my skull. I ransacked the house and found one more bottle. Well, I drank some and soon all my pain was subsided. I cleaned up my bed and I got the house tidied. Still try to think of a way to make money. I could be a comedian, I'm sometimes quite funny. I started an act on my living room flare, pretending to be a quiz show compare. Playing at a wall with a glass in my hand. I right heed the ball, shouting, strike up the bond. Then my reflection caught me in a stare, and I thought, for fuck's sake, there's nobody there. Well, you had to get out more, meet people and mix. Gone out to discos, picking up chicks.